Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a first impression and my review on this palette. So this is a new brand that just came out in Olive Young. It is called LAKA. I think it came out this year, I'm not sure, but definitely started selling in stores in Olive Young this year. And this specific brand is catered to both men and women. So I believe it's the first brand to ever do that. Every time I go to the store, I always see this brand, so I decided to finally try this out. I just got the eye palette, literally called just eye palette in Aurora. So here's the palette, just a nice clean design, nothing too crazy. And I'm gonna open it up. Like I especially like the matte shade. That's kind of the reason why I got it. I thought it was really neutral, very everyday, and yeah. So now I'm gonna swatch it to see how it is. I remember when I swatched it in stores, I was really impressed by the pigmentation. I was like, wow, this is the first like Korean brand where the shimmer is like true to its color. It was pretty pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So first shade, there's no name for the shades, but this first brown shade, like that. That's really light here. Let's try better. So the first shade is like that. There's a nice, it's a very nice neutral color. This is the second shade. Ooh. There's that. By the way, the shadows are super soft. Very, very soft. Then I'm gonna go for the shimmer. It's so light and my skin's light. I don't think you can even see that. But it's just like a really, really nice champagne. Almost like glitter-ish. Kind of see it sparkle. You could kind of see it sparkle with the light. It's like a nice highlight shade. And then lastly, I'm gonna go for this. There's that. There are the 4 shades. To be honest with you, I remember the shades being a bit darker in stores. So we'll see how it looks once I apply it with brush and everything. But right now, I don't know. I was really impressed at the store, but I don't know about now. Let's see. Okay, so the first shade, I'm gonna go with this shade. Oh, okay, so now you could see a bit of a fallout. So I'm gonna put that first shade all over my eyelid as a base shade. Oh, let me zoom. There we go. So the first shade, I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Does that do anything? So that's the base shade on. It actually blends really nice with my skin tone. And now I'm gonna apply on this eye. Okay, so the next I'm gonna take the pink shade. This one, there's no fallout. And then I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid. Or I'm gonna just apply it 2/3 of my eyelid, because I want to put the shimmer in the middle. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. So here's the pretty pink. Very nice, very cranberry-ish. I think it would be perfect for like Christmas. Just want to point out that, I don't know if you can see it, but there are some fallouts here, which you do have to brush it off later. But yes, I am getting fallout with this. Okay, so the top is done, and whatever is left over on my brush, I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. So then next, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and go in with the brown. I feel like you get a lot of fallout on the matte colors, so have to be careful with that. With this color, very lightly, I'm gonna put it on the outer corners and my lash line. Sounds, but they don't feel me. down. Very pretty color. And do the same thing on this side. When I'm applying this, I like to apply it with my eyes open, just so that I see how it looks like. Even though the swatches weren't the best, the shadows blend pretty nicely, and I feel like they're pretty true to their colors. But the matte does have a lot of fallout, as you could see. So lastly, I'm gonna go with the champagne color. I think I'm just gonna use my finger for this. I'm just gonna pop this on the inner corners of my eyes. Oh, that's really pretty. That's so pretty, so shimmery. So here is the comparison with the champagne and without. You see that? So sparkly. So I'm done with the shadows. I've used all of them, and here they are. So before I give my final thoughts, I'm gonna complete this look by lining my eyes and applying mascara. So I'll be right back. So here is my final look. My hair is still a little wet, but you can see how the shadow looks with everything put together. Overall, I think this palette is great. I love the color combination. I love the blendability. I love the shadows. I love how soft it is. The only thing I could say is that there are fallouts, but other than that, I have nothing else to complain. So I'm really happy with the purchase, and next time I'm at Olive Young and I see something really cool from this brand, I'm definitely gonna be reaching for it. Alright, so that is it for my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and show some love in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!